welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of doing something a little bit different for my plan with me. So a couple of days ago I shared my half letter disc setup. You can check that out. I'll leave a link right here. That was a really fun video to make because I really am loving this setup. Am I going to stay in it long term? I don't know. I don't want to make any commitments. The good thing about this planner though is that most of my inserts are undated, to include my dailies. Now I have dated a few days in advance with some Planner Kate stickers. I absolutely love these, and they're really convenient in here because then I don't have to write the dates, right? It's just one of those little things. So this is how my daily has been looking lately. I've really been liking it. As much as I said I kind of have an issue with staying so neutral, right now I am really feeling those vibes. I'm sure that one day I'm going to sit down and start adding a whole ton of like colorful stickers like this, or maybe even something like semi-neutral. I don't know. But I am really liking this. So I'm going to plan out, see I have Friday dated as well and Saturday already. I think that that would work for me if I stay in this, is to date like a week at a time, and it would be easier for my brain to handle that. So I took the page out, which is honestly, if you're not used to discs, for the first few times that I planned in here, I just kept leaving all the pages in, and I was like, why am I making my life so hard? One of the fantastic things about discs is that you can take the pages out. So I, finally got my act together. So today I'm going to be using this Pentel Energel amazing pen here. I think. Sometimes I'm like, I really want to use the needle tip. This is the 0.7, like regular, I don't know, it's just a regular tip, right? It's just the normal tip. And then you have the Clenas, which is basically the same pen, just a different body. And they have a needle tip, which is really cool. I don't know if my camera is even going to try to pick that up, but these are great. They also come in a few colors. I have like the blue. I know that there's like a bunch more colors. There's a peach salmon looking color. There's a bunch. There's also a turquoise looking one. But yeah, these are the ones that I just have for right now. So I actually think I might use this one. I actually like this a lot. So I'm also going to incorporate some dot stickers maybe. The last couple days I have used dot stickers here and there. You have to use tweezers. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of need some tweezers. I have been loving these stickers from Sweet Caress. This is her Autumn Spice collection. I've grabbed a few more. I also shared those in my disc setup video, I think I did. So I'm going to put a few of these down. I kind of like this dot marker from Zig Clean Color Dot. And as a matter of fact, I have marker on my hand from work. So, that's just regular life. But this is the fawn color. My only issue with this is that it comes out like very peach. It's not so fawn. It's more of a peach for me, and you guys know that's just not my jam. So I do like the colors of these. I do wish that there was a Zig Clean Color dot marker that actually came in a more beige color. If there is one, let me know. I don't know about it. I don't know why I put a space there, but this is where I've been putting like my top 3 that you can, if you're familiar with my daily videos, I do a top 3, and I've always done that in my plum paper. And after that became a habit, I just chose to do it all the time. The other marker that I love using on my pages is, I think that this is the one. Oh man, these Tombow markers are going to get me in trouble. Nope, this isn't the one. It's actually this color. The colors are very deceptive from the caps, but number 942 from Tombow is one of my favorites as far as markers to highlight. Every time I share a page, someone is like, what color marker are you using? All right, so typical for my top 3 is going to be medication, and this one is not doing very well. Let's see. None of these are warmed up. I think it's been a minute since I've used some of these. I have so many that I don't know which one I've used. I just need to keep one in rotation because they just don't write the same if you haven't been writing with them for a while. All right, vitamins. And I will also work out tomorrow because I'm definitely not working out on Friday. So tonight on Wednesday, I'm actually signed up for a live class. I'm finally going to make it to a live Cody Rigsby class, and I cannot freaking wait. So hopefully we'll get dinner and stuff out of the way, and then I can be ready for my ride. All right, so next up, I do typically like to write the workout just below that, so I'm just gonna wait. I don't really schedule my workouts that far in advance. It was only today because I happened to get a notification that there was a new live ride this evening. So next, I'm going to save a space there and then put water. I realized on Wednesday's page I wrote workout instead of water, and nobody said a word to me. I'm going to use my gray dot and just put 8 dots for the 8 glasses of water. There's that. And then I'm going to move on to just putting a couple of my daily habits, like my daily delete, my journaling, unplugging, and a little bit of skincare. And actually, let's go ahead and use more of these dots on this sheet. These are such pretty colors. I find that I would get super annoyed having to do this every single day, which is why I don't do it every day. But I kind of like these a lot. I really just like the color. One more. Actually need 2 more, and it does not want to come off the page. There we go. All right, so we're going to do daily delete, journal. Make sure I unplug from social media from time to time because oh my goodness. And then skincare. All right, so that is all I need for the top there. Next is going to be my actual to-do list. So on Thursdays, it's typically more of like getting all the trash things out. So I need to clean out the pantry, clean out the fridge, and then the trash will go to the curb. And I think that's really, actually no, I need to vacuum upstairs. Try to vacuum the carpeted areas at least twice a week, and that just seems to keep things from not getting too far out of hand. And I think that's really it for tomorrow that I know of. All right, so the next part is going to be for content. So it's very similar to my plum paper. I've got like the 3 sections. It's just on the left side instead of the right side. So what I've got going on, and I think I'm just gonna use the gray dots here. I've got about 4-ish things. If everything goes well, I will be vlogging on this day. I was going to push it to Friday, but I'm not sure. It may be Thursday and Friday. It may just be Thursday that I vlog. I haven't fully decided, but it might be a video that goes up next week sometime. Then I will need to edit this video that you guys are watching and go through my emails. I'm a little bit behind, which is so not like me. But I'm gonna get to those, and then I have to catch up on comments and messages. I was so good at keeping my others folder on Instagram down to like 0, and now it's back. I don't know, it's so out of control. All right, next up is my schedule. So I think I'll use the dot markers for my AM and PM routine just to give it a little bit more like balance, having some of that color over here. It doesn't start till 7, this daily from plum paper. My goodness, it's not from plum paper. This daily doesn't start until 7 a.m. from cloth and paper, which has kind of been an issue, but it's not a complete deal breaker. I still really, really love the insert. I wish it started at 6 at the very least, and then it would be perfect, but it's like I said, it's a first world problem. It's really not that big of a deal. All right, so AM routine here, and then PM routine down here. And next I'm gonna do work. I do typically work 8 to 4, and I'm going to use my bookmark. One of them was around here. And this is also from cloth and paper. It's just their clear half letter bookmark. And normally I would just draw it, but lately I've been liking it not all doodly looking, so just depends on my mood. But I just box out the whole part of the day, which is clearly like a huge chunk of my day, but that is life, it's work. And then I think I only have one meeting, and this is where I typically like to highlight just the word work. I'll also go through and highlight all of the headers just because I like how it looks. If it's going to be neutral, I'm going to add as much neutral color as I can. I'm also going to add a bit of a shadow to this box just because I also think that that's just really cute. All right, and that's quite enough. All right, so meeting time tomorrow is at 11. Let's just grab one more of these because why not use a whole sheet in one daily spread? I'm just kidding. And thankfully that is my only meeting tomorrow, which is perfect. Today I actually didn't have any meetings and it was one of the busiest days I have ever had. I was like, I don't think I'm going to make it out of here alive, but I was fine. All right, so that's it for work. Doesn't seem like a busy day, but trust me, it's busy. All right, and then I think we'll do the gray dot for dinner time. Thursdays, I actually don't cook. I typically cook Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thursdays are fend for yourself. Friday is takeout night. That's just the rhythm that works best for my family. I also, just as a disclaimer, my children are adults. They are 19 and 22, so it's what works for us. All right, so dinner, and I think that might be it. Let's get this page back in here. I lost my place in my planner. I knew I should have left the bookmark in there. All right, there we go. I like the way that this looks. I think on one day I also added like some washi or something down in the corner and I was like, I don't even know why I bothered. I don't use washi. I just don't. All right, so that's it. That's it for today's Plan With Me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more of these half letter daily Plan With Me's. I will also obviously try to include like a Saturday, Sunday one just because my weekdays tend to look exactly the same, right? So let me know down in the comments. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.